Every seller wants to sell their home quickly for a large profit, but it takes more than just luck to make this happen. It involves careful planning and knowing how to professionally prepare your home to convince buyers to pull out their checkbooks. Hi, my name is Omar Pineda with eXp Realty, and as your local real estate expert, I care about the homeowners in my community. Because I care, I want to pass along some useful information to homeowners to help you prepare your home for sale. There are a lot of moving parts to make your sale a successful one from start to finish, so it is our hope we can contribute to your success and make your for sale by owner experience a great one. Here are 5 tips to help your home shine above the competition. Number 1, disassociate yourself from the house. Letting go of your home can be difficult. I get it. You've lived there possibly for years and the house holds many memories. Take emotion out of the equation and realize your home is going to make another family or couple very happy. Look toward the future where you can make new memories in your next home. Your next house will feel like home before you know it because you will be personalizing your space and creating new memories. Number 2, depersonalize your home. Pack up your personal photographs, family heirlooms, and other objects and clutter that might distract potential buyers and hurt a possible sale. You want to present your buyers with an impersonal, clean environment so they can imagine the home perhaps decorated with their own photographs, furniture, and artwork. Depersonalizing your home makes it easier for potential buyers to visualize how the home might look filled with their own items. Regarding furniture, only leave understated pieces that are not a distraction and don't create an unintended impression. For example, it would be difficult for a buyer to visualize their home antique furnishings in place of the existing zebra couch, bright yellow chair, or bear rug. The goal is to make it easy for potential buyers to see the house as their future home. Number 3, declutter your house. People tend to collect an amazing amount of items over the years. Reasons for keeping items include an emotional attachment, an intention to reuse or fix items in the future, or a wish to pass them on to others. For many items, if you haven't used them in over a year, you probably don't need them. Discard items in a useful way by donating them to a charity or nonprofit organization, such as the Salvation Army or Goodwill. These items not only help those in need, but some are tax deductible. For items that are not accepted, call your city to inquire whether the items can be picked up. Many cities schedule this service once or twice a month. Also, remove books from bookcases and other knickknacks and clean everything off your kitchen counters. Essential items that you use daily can be tucked away in small boxes that you can place in a closet when they're not in use. Consider this process an efficient way to start your packing. Remember, less is always more when selling, and you want to provide the best walkthrough experience for potential buyers. Number 4, you also want to organize bedroom closets and storage cabinets. Buyers will be curious about storage space and will want to check closets and cabinets. It's important to ensure that these are organized, as it sends a negative message if your storage spaces are cluttered with items falling out. When a buyer sees everything organized down to the last detail, it shows that you took care of your possessions and likely took good care of the house. In your kitchen, organize your spice jars, neatly stack dishes, and turn the coffee cup handles so they're facing the same way. In closets, shirts should be buttoned and hung together, and shoes should be lined up neatly. Be sure the home is professionally clean and windows shiny and bright. Number 5, consider renting a storage unit. Almost every home shows better with less furniture. Remove pieces that block or obstruct paths and walkways and put them in storage, along with distracting furniture, artwork, and empty bookcases. Removing extra sections from your dining room table will make the room appear larger. Leave just enough furniture to showcase the room's purpose with plenty of room for buyers to move around. This is only the beginning of the for sale by owner process. Stay tuned to the next part of the series and get 5 more tips in part 2. We have built great relationships with industry professionals that can assist with decluttering, cleaning, repairing, and staging so your home makes the best first impression to the buyers. If you find you need assistance with this process, give me a call and I would love to partner with you and give you the best possible outcome for your home sale. Again, my name is Omar Pineda with eXp Realty, and allow me to elevate your lifestyle.